Okay, so in this video we're gonna learn how to turn off restricted mode on YouTube. So open up your YouTube application. Now go up to the top right corner, click on your profile image. Go down to this one, settings. Click on that. Now click on general. Go all the way down. We find this one, restricted mode. So this helps hide potentially mature videos. No filter is 100% accurate. This settings only applies to this app on this device, alright? So if you want to turn off restricted mode on YouTube, just uncheck this one. Like that. Okay everyone, so let me know in the comments below if this worked for you. Okay everyone, so I hope this video solved your problem. Don't miss out on my latest video right here. Just click on this image. So I hope you have an awesome day. Take care and bye.